Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to get Ember in Warframe. Ember is a damage-focused Warframe that is obtained by farming a boss on Saturn and crafting her components. To begin, open the in-game market and use the search bar to search for Ember. Purchase her main blueprint for 25,000 credits. Next, open your navigation menu. Go to Saturn and select the node Tethys. Choose the assassination mission on Tethys, which is where General Sargas Ruk has located. If you haven't unlocked Saturn yet, that's normal as it requires star chart progression. General Sargas Ruk drops Ember's component blueprints, including Ember Neuroptics, Ember Chassis, and Ember Systems. You'll need to repeat the Tethys mission multiple times until all components are collected. Once you have all the component blueprints, build them in the Foundry. After all parts are completed, combine them with the main blueprint to craft Ember. And that's it. You learned how to get Ember by purchasing her main blueprint from the market and defeating General Sargas Ruk on Tethys Saturn to farm all her component parts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.